Okay, testing 1, 2, 3, testing. Where is the link here? Okay, testing. So I think it's working. 1, 2, 3, testing. Okay, let's get started then. Alright, so in today's video, what we are going to do is continue our ZWL line recovery tool and add a small graphical interface. Now, having a graphical interface is not necessary. We can use the tool from the command line, and it has its advantages since you don't need if you're connecting to a remote server, to a remote machine, to use this tool through SSH or through a terminal, then it makes sense to actually use a command line tool because the terminal may not have graphical capabilities. But if you're running it locally and you're running it on the modern computer, then graphical interface may help you. Well, it's more user-friendly. Since the tool is for people who may not have a lot of experience with computers, and especially with the command line, we are going to build a basic user interface, which is just going to be a form. Then you enter the seed, you enter the various parameters that we are taking from the command line currently, and then it will do the same thing. Sorry. So before starting this stream, I've asked ChatGPT for alternatives to Electron. Electron is the I shouldn't say standard, but the common way to do this kind of stuff, where you code the app in your preferred language, backend language. In this case, it would be Rust. And then you do the front end in JavaScript using web technologies. So you use HTML, you use JavaScript, and you use CSS. And then Electron makes a standalone desktop application by bundling the web browser, if you want, in your application. Because the engine of Chromium is open source. So Electron basically makes web browser app as a standalone application. There are many tools that actually use this way to make UI under the cover. It's not obvious that that's what they do, but because the result is very nice, seems very seamless. So actually, ZWL Lite is one of them. ZWL Lite uses Electron, but obviously it's not one of the other very popular one is, I think, Visual Studio Code. So the editor that I am using here, I believe, is based on the same technology. The drawback of this, and that's what ChatGPT also stated, is that the result app is fairly large because it has Chrome inside. Then performance, I don't think it's going to be a problem for us because we are calling to the Rust. We will be calling to the Rust code, and the Rust code will take over. So we spend very short time in the UI. Resource usage, we are a bit high, but again, it doesn't matter for us. Security, and now they talk about alternatives. So alternatives, I use Flutter. Flutter is the front-end engine for Y Wallet and ZWL. Tori, I never heard of it. Neutralino, I never heard of it. Let's try Neutralino. What is that? Okay, so same idea. Let's look at the tutorial.
Hello everyone, my name is Shalit Surang and I build open source software and write technical articles.
I want to see the text and don't really like video tutorial, even though we are doing one video tutorial, which is kind of ironic. Installing this stuff, creating app. Okay, so I'm not too worried about the JavaScript, HTML, CSS. This part is always the same. I'm worried about how, I'm curious about how the front end is going to talk to the back end. It should be native API. Okay, so it seems that you have to call, if you're using other programming language that JavaScript, which is going to be the case for us, the backend is Rust, we have to use extension IPC, and I don't really want to do that. Yeah, let's look at the other one. So we have also Tori, and Tori, I quickly looked at it before, and the reason it piqued my interest was because Tori uses Rust, so we would minimize the impedance mismatch between the front end and the back end, because they both use the same same language. Right, so I went here before. Okay, right, so let's try Tori, and then maybe in another video we use Neutralino. All right, so how do we do that? Be sure to okay, prerequisite. Well, we have macOS. So macOS we need. Okay, we have Xcode already. Okay, and Rust we have. Rust we have. Okay, and then we have Node.js. Node.js we have. And mobile target, we don't do that. So I think we are all good. All right, next step. Create your first Tori project. Actually, I want to add Tori to an existing project. Right, maybe we do that. Manual setup. Make the okay. Can we do this in the same? Okay, well, I'm trying to do it in the same folder. We were in projects, and we were using what was it, the GUI cover? Yes, the GUI cover. And now they say npm create byte at latest. Or byte is the build system. Yes. Project name. Well, it's ZWL recover. All right. Which one do you use? We're gonna use what's Preact. All right. So this is where I show my age. I only know Vue and React. I don't know Preact, but I think Preact is a small React. Elite, Svelte, I heard about it. Solid, I heard about it. These days, I think the up and coming frameworks are Solid. Solid is the fastest, I heard, and Svelte is the one that compares your HTML, your stuff to that builds your pages at compile time. Angular is pretty old. Quick, never heard of it, and Lit, never heard of it. So to make this thing simple, I'm going to just use React. And then we have TypeScript or TypeScript with SWC. What is SWC? What is SWC? Oh, it's a compiler, speedy web compiler. Okay, why not? Let's give it a try. I hope I'm not making a mistake here. Oh, it made a directory inside my directory. Right, I didn't want to do that. Yep. So let's see if I can move the stuff up. It already has a source directory, so that's not super good. All right, let's leave it like that because we haven't read the rest of the documentation. All right, so create this, then install CLI tool using your package manager of choice, using cargo to so on. If you are using cargo to install the Toli CLI, you would have to install it globally. No, just use this then. npm install dada. Determine the URL of your front-end development server. This is your directory you would use to load your content. If you're using Vite or Vite, it should be Vite. I think Vite stands for fast in French. Well, I mean, it stands for fast in French, but I don't know if that's why the name, where the name comes from. Okay, whatever. In your project directory, initialize story. My project directory must be this guy. Am I in the right location? Yeah. Initial story, npx story init. Okay. Yep. Yep. Where are your web assets to the current directory of build probably. Oh, that is where they asked me, right? They asked me for, and then it's 5173. 5173 dev build. Okay. Yeah, they changed this. Okay, npx story dev. Alright, and we navigate. Okay, wait for the completion. Okay, I already need this moment to ask ChatGPT generate a React component showing a form. Alright, so the form data you state, put the stuff here, and the change, okay, and the submit. Yep. Style, content. Oh no. Oh, okay, this is cool. Oh, it's pretty cool. Okay, then this is a form. Some styling here. Input. Yeah, it's pretty much just what I want. I want to use Tailwind CSS. Yeah, it's better. Okay. I want to add, or maybe it will be here actually. All right, so now we can add the folder. What's the folder? Projects. This one. Alright. So our guy is here. And they say source story is where the code is, the backend code is. Yeah. And then source is the source code. Yeah, it's not too bad. All right, so what I'd like to do now is to add Tailwind CSS to the front end so that I have a better framework. I wish they had done it for me though. Let me see. So this replaces Webpack, I believe. Yeah, there's no Webpack, so this guy should replace Webpack. Then just checking if Tailwind is not already there. No, it's not. Right, so let's see how to add Tailwind CSS to a VT project. Install Tailwind there. Okay, Tailwind CSS. Alright, seems very simple. So this is done. Then we need to do this stuff. Okay, we need to do this stuff. This adds Tailwind CSS as a dev dependency. So these guys here are post processors for the CSS because Tailwind uses, what's the name of that? SC CSS, something like that. So it's basically CSS with macros. And then we have to run this function here, initialize Tailwind. Okay. Configure Tailwind. Configure Tailwind. I hope I put the stuff in the right place. Yep, that's the right place. Tailwind configure. Content. Well, that makes sense. It uses SRC by default. I think it should be fine because I want to use SRC as well. Now SRC is this guy, yeah, so hopefully it doesn't matter. So I'm not going to change this for now. And then let's try to use these guys in the app CSS here. Okay. And then, okay, in our app, we shall import. Okay. And then should be it. Alright. So, let me see. I'm gonna remove all this stuff. Don't need that. And then leave it as a div, but with some markup to see if it works. Okay, so what's this markup? Class name. All right. Tailwind CSS for a red border. Okay, this guy border red 500. just to test if my CSS Tailwind integration worked. Test border CSS. This guy I don't need, and then we can restart. Right, we go to this dude. No, this dude. Oh. Okay, no border. Alright, that's not what I wanted. How do I debug this guy? Inspect element. Oh, very nice. Okay. So borders here. You didn't pick up the. You didn't pick up Tailwind. Alright. So that didn't work. So maybe we really need to do this part here. Talking about what? I'm talking about this part here. Where is us? Where is us? Okay, Tailwind, HTML, and source, everything that has these guys. Alright, try again. Okay. No. Wire. Computed border. Okay, so ChatGPT didn't really work out. We're doing what? We did close this one. We went here. Yeah. I don't know if Vite is a plugin for Tailwind. Okay. I'm not going to use ChatGPT for that. Vite and Tailwind. Okay. Create your project, install Tailwind CSS. Yeah, we did that. We did that too. We did that too. We did that. I don't understand. Class name, blah blah blah. Right? Right, let's try this guy exactly. It's not bold, it's not underlined, it's just H1. Yeah. Unless the style is overridden later by this stuff. So I'm gonna remove all this just to be sure. Yeah. So the style is gone, but doesn't work. doesn't work. Okay, not working. Sounds like the package ZWL dependency needs to be installed by running yarn. Yeah, we did this stuff, no? It's really weird, it's not mentioned. That's really weird. I was like, this is pure magic. Wow. The view part is missing. What's view part? Oh no, it doesn't care. This is insane. Content points to some files. I think it does. SLC is here, and then star anything star dot OTSX, yeah, and then index. It's not using the other guy, maybe. Use index.css. Very strange. Alright, so maybe this is the problem. We'll take this guy and we put into this guy here. Boy. And this guy here. We leave the magic. That's even worse. Yeah. There's no styling at all. Oh, there is no font bold is always the case. No, there's no styling. There should be underline. Okay, what do they say? Plugins. Seems like a package ZWL dev dependency needs to be installed by running yarn, which I have done. I think I did. ZWL is here. Case, yeah. Then ZWL CSS. That's ZWL. When is this date here? 2021. Nice, it's recent. what's it? Plugin writer config. What about this one? Plugin option. No. Yeah. Oh, here. Okay. All right. Let's try this. Yay! That was it. That's very strange. That was not indicated in the doc. Okay, so we have that. Or maybe it was missed something. Anyway, what we want now is to change this guy. And then we have a form. So let's try the form as it is. Okay. So clearly we don't need that like that. We use the use state. We already have. And then contact form, not contact form. It's scan param form. So from data, so we have more than that. We have the seed, not the seed, the seed, num and t addresses and z addresses. Okay, this is going to be 0, it's going to be 0. We have the birth height, and we had destination, and what else? The birth height, C, destination, the UL, and UL. Handle change, E. Okay. E set from data, from submitted from data. Reset from, okay, reset form. Do I need to reset the form? Yeah, let's not reset the form. Okay, no need for that. Max blah, max auto blah. This looks about right. Can change that there. Scan parameters. The name's table. On submit handle submit. Well, here we should call the backend, right? But okay, not the name. It's gonna be seed. Text ID seed, name seed. Value from data seed, handle change, and then this line looks horribly identical. So this is candidate for copy paste. Yeah, exactly the same. Right, copy paste, pam 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 pam. Something's wrong. Okay, I said copy and paste. Then we move this part message as well. Submit, we keep. Alright, so we have the seed. It's pretty verbose, by the way. It's HTML. What can you do? Destination. So destination. No, this is destination address, and then we call it destination here. Okay. Type is number this time, and then this is number of transparent addresses, and we call this NTADIs, and here was NTADIs. Yep. Then we repeat this section for shielded sapling addresses. Z. Actually, this tool could be also altered, but now think about it. Okay. So it was 1, 2, 3, 4. This small stuff. There's a birth height somewhere. Birth height. Was 5, and the UL, and then we have light server UL, light server UL, light wallet server UL. Call it ZWL UL. Yep. We can default this to something. Let's default this to HTTPS ZWL. And that's it. Okay, and now I want to use this guy. So this guy is called Scan Forms. Scan form. I need this guy. Assets. I need this guy. Alright, that should be good. Alright, scan param looks pretty nice actually. C destination address. Okay. Alright. Then maybe we can reuse some of these guys here. Block text SM from medium text gray. And then it's always going to be the same, right? Alright, so I can change that to be label. And then in the CSS here, I say dot label is what? Okay, how do I do that? Define CSS for using Tailwind. Okay, not inline. Oh, apply. Right, that's perfect. So So it's apply, and then this huge guy here. Okay, and now we just say this guy is label, and you are not happy about this. Why? Not happy. Nothing to do. Oh, it's the anything. Well, sure, whatever you needed. It's not really any. It's the it's a handler of a. It's a handler of a form. Should be a type for that. Maybe I use React here. And there's a type for this to the React dot something form handler. Okay, ask ChatGPT. What is the TS type for a form handler, change handler? This guy, change event handler. Is one here. Then this okay. Why is it unresolved? Maybe React, comma. Okay, now we have a type. And this one is a submit handler. Okay, I'm gonna go and guess it as submit. Yeah. What about submit? Just form event. Form event. What? No special type for that. Event. Interesting. I thought there would be a type. Okay, so we move this. It's probably a type. Okay. All right. Well, now we just have nothing. Still works. Still works. Just to be sure, we will launch, but yep. And then so now we can change all of these guys to be just label. Okay, and this one too. Should have done this before copy pasting. I also can search replace, but that was the last one. No, that was not the last one. Okay, this time I will copy search replace. Replace this by input field. Input field like that. Oh, I should keep one. This is the one. Then here is the input field where we apply it doesn't know. This is not CSS per se. Okay, whatever. Still should work. Okay, alright, so just to be sure again when you launch, but hopefully the hot reload will have done it. Okay, maybe the window is too short though. So in this one, max width, maybe the let's put it as I don't know. Actually, let's say container, and then container. I will put the height of 800 pixels. Okay, did it do anything? Not really. Okay, so ID. Computed height. Where's height? Yeah, it's 800. So it did take it. Okay, so the height is really 800, but it doesn't mean that the window was drawn at 800. So that must be something different. So I'm gonna leave it. Don't need that then. Let's do this later. All right. So we have practical. Oh, we need to just try it to submit. Let's submit something. Okay. So actually, there should be some kind of validation. What? Not good. Okay, the birth stuff. This works. Alright, the form here is the number stuff. Submit. Where's my console? Yeah, we submitted, and then we have that. Oh, is this submit as strings or int? What? Oh. Oh, handle change. Yeah, it will come as strings. How do I do that? Fields, number fields. Okay. Oh, you have to pass int. Okay. Need another handler. The difference is value this one here. pass int. Name, and that's int value. Should be number value really, but value. Oh, there's something here. And this guy is E. And we use this instead. In here, under number change, and here, and here, and this is number. Okay, let's see if it updated. Still not working. Let's reload. Doesn't work. Doesn't work. Why? Alright, we're going to enter here with the E value. We do pass int. Is it type? This is strange. Alright, when we do 5 and submit. The capitalization matters. Oh, okay, it's case sensitive. So has to be all lowercase. Yeah, or you have to match this stuff. Okay, didn't know it was matters. Let's put it lowercase. Okay. Yeah, we should also make sure it's validated. But other than that, it should be. It seems okay. Right. We add validation later. Yeah, 5.3. Destination address is okay. 5.5. Okay, so our form works. Let's make a checkpoint then. Git status. Git checkout branch GUI. Git. I don't want trap warp. So here I don't want warp, but I want to know what else we're gonna recover. Toy icons, probably not. Yeah, well, this is a placeholder stuff. Okay, what do we have? Git ignored. With me, this guy we want. This guy we want. The title is not good. Index HTML. It's ZWL trying to be recovery. Okay. Package log should be fine. SVG. Don't need that guy. Public VT. just the logo. Delete. Ignore computer. Okay, this is a sample code that we didn't touch yet, so leave it like that. Then we have this guy, yeah, this guy, yeah, this all looks reasonable. Okay, everything is reasonable. So we take all of this. Yeah, take all of this. Everything actually. Initial form pitch form. All right. Okay, so next what I want to do is actually move the code. No, let's just try to send it to the backend. Alright, so how do we send that to the backend? May have cut the code for it. Okay. GUI. Okay, this we did, right? I just want to know how to call it to the backend. Okay, we did. Leptos. What did we use? Okay, we don't need that, I guess. Leptos. Now we must have something. Here. No, we don't have anything. Doesn't matter. Then how do we code the backend, dude? I mean, how do you configure Tory command line interface? What? Let's configure this. This is not very clear. I'm sorry to say that, but it's not very clear. Okay, let's use ChatGPT. How to define a function in Rust with Tory? Tory command. Register the command. Call the function. Alright. So let's look for Tory command in their documentation. Oh, there you go. Where is this guy? Develop. Okay. Basic example. Alright, so I append this command. And this command here, I'm gonna put it inside source main lib. Where's example? Capabilities, no. Gen, definitely not. Icons, pretty sure I don't need all this. What is that? That's cute though. Okay, I don't need these guys. So leaves me with lib as entry point. Main also entry point. What's the difference? Oh, this is run. This main. Okay, I will put it here. And then must be unique. Command define deep cannot be marked with a detection of glucose. Okay, so no. Okay. Picture invitation of glucose generation. Your source story lib. Okay. And then builder invoke handler in what? Where? Default before the run. Okay, here. And then and then I can call it from JavaScript. Okay. That's beautiful if it works. Yeah. And then here. It's not even my root here. Yeah, it's not my root. This is the root. And then they say what? And you can invoke it. What about the parameters? The call invoke with the arguments. Okay, passing arguments. Alright, that's gonna be next step. First, we just call it with the arguments. Invoke, just invoke. So here. Alright. Then died. Oh, wrong directory. Not good. Okay, cool. Oops. Why do you need the icons for that? What? Why do you need icons for generic context? There must be something in our configuration here. Oh yeah. Bundle icons. No, not the icons. And then nothing here. Okay. Icon of PNG. It needs an icon. no icon. I don't want an icon. Bundle. Maybe I need a field icon and leave it empty. Yeah, still need icons. Is that an error though? Yes, error. Looking for icon PNG. Yeah. The peer inventory clean. I hope it's not making it up though. Clean. Wait, okay, doesn't even exist, so. Okay, maybe icon. Oh, I think it needs an icon. Okay, we'll make an icon then. Let's make an icon. Icon generator. Alright, let's call it it's all pro stuff. There's something, oh, it's pro stuff too. I'll look for something like doctor. Doctor icon. It's crazy. Alright, not this guy then. Icon kitchen. Should be good. Wow, man. Okay, I'll put the microscope. Microscope. Okay. It's pretty terrible, but more color. That's fine. Gradient. Yeah. Texture. Waves. Yeah. Polka. Oh. Outline. Yeah. Done. Badge. Okay, and then download. kitchen output. Copy icon, download icon, kitchen output here. Open dot. Web. Okay. You can put this one. Basketball. Let's put this one into here first, and here to here, and rename it as icon png. What? Where is it looking for it? Story icon location. There you go. Okay. Input file app icon.png. Move icons. Oh, come on. Source story icons. Here, app icon.png. Alright, here's a bunch of stuff. Alright, and then we can delete most of this stuff then. If we don't want the kitchen. Trash. And then trash is one too. Okay, now oh no. What? Fail to resolve import toy apps vehicle. Okay, so this guy doesn't exist. Calling Rust from the front end. Yeah. What? Need to install this guy? Hello? I search for some. Okay, search here. Oh, wait a minute, this is not the right documentation. Guides. Develop. Okay, they changed it. Calling the front end from Rust. No, calling Rust from the front end. Okay, this is so far so good. Didn't change that. Didn't change that. No, didn't change anything. Oh, but I need to install this guy. The Tory apps. Pretty sure supposed to be there. Package. Toy apps CLI. Maybe you need Toy apps API. Okay. Oh, that's cool. So it. Hello. All right. So now we have to change so that it takes parameters. Text parameters. Oh, here you go. Invoke message. Arguments should be passed as a JSON with camel case keys. Okay. So okay. So actually it's very simple. We have to change this one to be scan, and then we take well, we pick a bunch of crap. See the string. Well, all the stuff from here actually. From here. So might as well copy paste this. And the address. Where's reorder build? I think the order doesn't matter really. Okay. And this is something about renaming it. So rename this. Oh, okay. What do you want? Okay, scanning the address. Oh, that sounds good. And then the front end was here. Right, so I'll change this guy to be RL. URL. And then we submit. We could scan, I think. Scan and with the form data. And then here in the form data we print the parameters, or some of them. Just print URL. Okay, cool. What? I see the can't find my custom command. What is he talking about? Here. Right. Blah blah. Cool. Okay, that didn't work. Oh no, doesn't work anymore. Okay, I'm missing required key birth height. Okay. Well, I had to rename stuff, but didn't seem to work. Ready? Oh no, here. Well, it has to be has to be snake case. Birth height again. Maybe I really need to recompile. Unused variable. Yeah, no. Command missing required key birth height. Okay, I think I misunderstood how it works. I didn't save. One or the other. Okay, no error. Yeah, thick rocks. Okay. Then what else? Well, we also would like to validate this guy here and this guy here, but this is like we can do this later. Same principle. There will be some validation code in the front end that calls into Rust, passing the seed phrase, and we should have a seed phrase validation function that returns true or false, and the front end will just reject it. So it's the same principle. But in the meantime, what I want to do is to merge this code with the stuff where we already wrote. So what I need to do here is move main into here. Let's rename this as scan.ls, then move it here. Somewhere here, here. Okay. Then lib we import grip mode scan. Was crashed. No target. No, it's not a problem. Oh, it is a problem. Oh no. This is because I moved the guy. Let's make a dummy. Okay. All right. So now we do. we have to take all the stuff that we had in the in this guy here, all these dependencies, and we have to put them into this project. And now it's one level up, or maybe even 2 levels up. Yeah, 2 levels up. Log CLD Tori. Yeah, nothing that we use. Tokyo probably don't need it anymore. So this guy is not a Tokyo main. It's a Tokyo scan, and we take the parameters. Seed. Well, it's the same as this guy here. So maybe I just can move this guy in. Move. I need a result. And then this has to be scoped, scan. Let's rename it as run scan. And run scan is here. Okay. Okay, that is the classic patch override missing. What? Patch is great because it's the same guy. The lock. Bye bye. Okay. Okay. Okay, so run scan is not working because it's not async. Spelling async. Parent macro import. Okay, maybe the async async is not cool. Okay, async is not cool. maybe not. Directions and the comments. Okay, well, that's not problem. It's not because of that. Maybe it's because of the async stuff. Let's look for async. Async commands and want to use Tokyo async text, you can set up. That sounds good. I'm confused here. On scan. Scan on scan. Maybe, I don't know. Scan. On scan. It's worse. Private function. Oh, stupid. Should be pub. Alright, getting better. Dominant async is illustrate what can be called and prevention of error or detectable for that. What's the problem here? We're not satisfied that is on what? Async for reference async future, but straight was a bound. About there. So what are the bounds? Response guide. Okay, feature output equal result. Which is RPC response. Okay. Okay, can I do this then? Right, this is another problem. Okay, anyhow, error. Yeah, in there. Okay, let me try to wrap it into this guy. Seed destination NT NC birth and LW guy. Then we await. This is the result. And this is not in there. 4 errors now. Well, more. Okay, 1. Oh, it's a threading issue. Yeah, it's a threading issue. Okay, first, what can we do to fix this? Yeah, it's not looking good. Interesting. Okay, so we have to make this guy async safe. By the way, we don't need this anymore. And the problem is this guy goes over a wait point. I think we can just require it. There's a await here. So let's look for the awaits. There's a await here. There's one here. So we have to require afterwards. Let's see more. And then prepare payment. And then there's a sign. Okay, yeah. I mean, requiring the connection is that cheap actually. So it goes through a pool. So might as well do it. One here. One here. Then acquire again. I think it doesn't need to be mutable afterwards. It's one here. Okay. Still. I think move to the scan. 60. Oh, 60 is a big function. Oh, 159. 159. Okay. Yeah, but it's reacquired here. strange. Statement cannot be used. A statement and then disconnection. It's mostly statement. Prepare format. There's only one statement here. Statement, we get it, match, row collects. Yeah. What statement are you talking about? Yeah, only one. Has to be this one. So this holds on the connection. It's a scoping thing. Is it though? Okay, if it is, then I can do this way. Introduce a scope. And then move this guy inside. Oh, it's 5 now. It's more errors. It's not multiple thread, dude. Definitely this one is reacquired. There's no wait point. Query row. Okay. Wait. Oh, connection here. Maybe that's the problem. And then the client is going to be the problem anyways. Still. It's passed by reference. That is annoying like hell. Okay, whenever there's a connection, I create a new one. And then we see. Okay, one here, one here. One here. Here, here, here. Okay, everywhere already. Okay, still. lecture P34 34 59. See the pay function. Prepare payment has to be this one. This is very annoying. Connection. What? He's saying prepare, but I got a connection here. Okay, it's definitely this guy here. 34. 34. Prepare payment. So it's prepare payment. But prepare payment has its own connection. I don't understand. What is happening? We're only 4 now. Same place now. Stuff makes no sense to me. Every time you get a fresh connection, and there's no await point. This guy is gone. Okay. Okay. Alternatively, we could have his own executor for this. I think I'm going to do that. Okay, this guy no longer, I think. mask block in place. Block in place. Need a function. Be async. Yeah, I know. No current. This one. Yeah. Okay. Then okay. What up if we just send crap? Scan not found. Oh, it's on scan. It's run scan. Boom. Director name is call from our main. I took your main then. Where? 51. 51. Okay. I mean, it has to be a thing then. It's running. Yeah, we have a database. Setting pool. Yep. Should return error though. Okay, probably an error was returned. not a valid key here. Okay, so it worked in some extent. I'm gonna remove all this additional stuff. Put there's one left. Okay. Oopsie. I removed too many of them. This one should be left. Connection. Okay. Oh. It's actually here. Alright, so I think it's working. It's no validation, that's the problem. And there's no spinner thingy. But other than that, if I put this key here, and then this address here, move this up, and then put this guy here. Oh, birth height bug. Birth height. Okay. How much was it? Main? No, it was not main. It was scan. Okay. Then press submit. Nothing seems to happen, but it's actually doing something behind. Is it? Yeah, sync finished. Summer value. Okay, these are bugs in my app. Summer value can be null. Some option. Interesting. What's spanning now? Oh, I know. It's actually not a bug here. It's a bug here. We have to add that and orchard equals 0. Okay, try again. I should pre-fill this stuff because it's gonna be annoying. prefill. Prefill cedar. Three. 5 and 3. Okay. And destination address. Okay. Alright, just press the button. Okay. It's still event count time 0. Summer value. It's really strange. How can it be no? Okay, this one's okay, this one's okay. So it has to be this one. Current time zone and index 0, name some value. Okay, this is column 1. That's super strange. It's super strange. Ocean 64 should be normal. Let me clear. Press. Yeah, it's really this guy. I don't get it. It's only 2 places. Okay, let's put some name as Z bar and this as T bar. seems like it's not even using my code. What? Oh, here. Oh, okay. What's that for? Select. Where bar is in 0, and okay, what does that mean even? Select account sum and variance from table. This doesn't make any sense. No, it makes sense. Okay. Yeah, it's crap. There's a second clause here. Archer should be 0. But I cannot do archer equals 0 if this. Okay, this query sucks. Okay, it should be select account. Select account. Okay, let's run. Yeah, whatever, this one. Notes. First, to select order or notes that are not spent. So select star from notes where orchard equals 0 and spent is null. Well, there's no more, but then this is your main table. So with nodes as select star from nodes from z nodes. Okay, and then group them by account. And then select account and sum of value. And then that's it. with the nodes as space nodes account. Select account value. Yep, this would be this one instead. Still not working. That's when store transparent 0022 0022 00 this one and 22 is this one. Let's print. Table is getting larger and larger. Source story. Yeah. UTXO 26 and then we die. Okay, UTXOs 26. This guy selects some value from table where space is now in the account. This guy, there's no nodes in there. Okay, you're right. You're absolutely right. Option and then unwrap our default. And then we don't need a payment if the balance is 0. Deleted file. Yeah, it worked. Okay, so it worked, but no feedback. So next time we add some validation and some progress animation. Right, but that's it for today.